In this video, we'll show the process of waterproofing a rusty corrugated metal roof using the Lava 20 waterproofing system. Here's the condition of the roof before the application. And here's the transformation after applying Lava 20. Here are the benefits of the Lava 20 waterproofing system. This system offers a durable 25-year warranty, along with essential certifications such as BBA, CE, etc. It's versatile and suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including timber, asphalt, built-up roofing burr, concrete, tiles and more. First, we need to ensure a clean and dry surface before applying waterproofing systems. Step 2 is to use owlwaterproofing mastic to seal any cracks and voids, etc. To prevent corrosion, we'll apply a single coat of owlwaterproofing oil. Now we will apply the Lava 20 fast primer to the screws, followed by a layer of either Lava Detail 20 or owlwaterproofing mastic. This ensures a tight seal with no gaps, effectively sealing the area. In preparing the joints, our first step involves applying owlwaterproofing mastic to ensure a seamless surface, eliminating any gaps, cracks or voids. The initial coat of our primary liquid rubber waterproofing membrane, Lava 20, followed by the application of matting for reinforcement. Finally, we apply the second layer of Lava 20 for a thorough waterproofing solution. Step 5 is to waterproof the entire area with the Lava 20 waterproofing system. Step 6 is to apply another coat of Lava 20 to ensure a smooth, seamless surface. For an attractive finish, you have the option to apply the white top coat, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of the surface. It's worth noting that if you're applying top coat on a metal roof, it's essential to first use the Lava 20 fast primer on the entire area once again,